We're here today at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio, and I've got a 2019 Ram 1500. Stock number on this is 28667T. This is the new Ram, and this is the DT model. This is a Tradesman vehicle, so you've got the black front grille, the black bumpers, steel wheels on it. This has got the Hemi 5.7 V8 engine, crew cab. Taking a look around the back, it is equipped with the trailer tow package, and it is a 4x4, and as I mentioned, with the 5.7 V8 engine. Got a 7 and 4 pin hookup for your trailer. Heated exterior mirrors. I do have it equipped with the cloth interior as well as the cloth floor. Tilt steering, cruise control, power windows and locks, automatic headlamps. Got a center console that folds up, so you've basically got a 6-passenger vehicle. Now what they've done on the new DT models, you've got additional leg room in the back. We've gained 6 to 8 inches of leg room in the back versus the old DS model. Back seat's a bench seat, folds up. You now have a flat floor. Before you'd have a hump in that floor, so they've completely changed the new body style in the 19. Down here in the Ram bins, they've made those a little different, got a little more room in them. These come out to be clean, can store different things inside the bins. Power windows in the back. Plenty of leg room. I'm 6'1", and I got 2 to 3 inches of knee room in between the seats. Got a 5-inch touchscreen radio. New toggle switches that do some of the accessories. Got a information center on the center stack. Extremely nice truck. New interior. Got a nice gray interior in this. Once again, take a good look at this blue streak Ram 1500 DT. Nice big ram's head on the back, distinguishes what we are. Ram is one of the best-selling trucks in the United States right now. And this new body style is taking things to a different level. Will be Truck of the Year in 2019. Again, we're here at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio with a 2019 Ram Tradesman 1500 4x4, stock number 28667T. For more information on any trucks on the lot, any vehicles here, give Steve a call at 800-678-4188.